If you're looking for a different type of woodworking project, something that is easy and that uses minimal tools, I have this Rustic storage unit made to look like an old toolbox. I highly recommend the Rustic style for anyone new to woodworking because it's very forgiving. And as simple as this project is, you'd be surprised at how many compliments I got and requests to build something like this for someone. But I'll try to explain how I made this toolbox in case you were interested. I started with some scrap wood, some 1x6 just like this. And I cut out this handle shape using my jigsaw. I made 2 of them, and then I screwed a 1x6 in between them and another 1x6 on the top. I screwed a couple more boards on the side and a couple more on this side. The only difference on this side is I installed a couple of hinges so I could open it from the side. I did have to do a little bit of chisel work to get these hinges to sit flush with the wood. And I made a simple latch using some scrap leather and some furniture tacks. I countersunk all the screws, but you could easily use nails for a project like this. And I used a dry pine branch that I had laying around. I scraped all the bark off, and then I put a screw in from each end. After I was done that, I sanded the entire box, making sure to round off any edges to make it look old and worn. I also applied a homemade wood stain of steel wool and vinegar. The wood was this color before I applied the stain. And it's just steel wool and vinegar that sits around for about a month, and it reacts with different woods. I really like the color on this. I also burn the wood in certain areas just by holding this near an open fire. See all these burn marks? I think it adds lots of character. And then I applied a bunch of clear coat to give it some shine. I think this is something you could easily customize to accommodate whatever you wanted to store inside. Very simple project. Skill saw, drill, chisel, jigsaw, minimal tools. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.